Welcome to our app, Planning Buddy. The first thing we're going to do is show you our to-do list, where you can enter in a task. We chose to do study, and you can enter in the date. We chose to do December 12th of 2024. If you try to add it before you fill in all the requirements, it's going to give you a notification telling you cannot do so. You must put in the associated course, and it has to be in the correct format. Here we're going back in and editing the task, adding for class. You can check off the assignment whenever you want, as well as use the trash icon to get rid of it. This data will be saved in between multiple fragments. Now we're going to head on over to our assignments page, where we can add an assignment by clicking the add button, where we will be able to put in the assignment name. Here we chose to do homework set. You need to put in a due date. Here we chose to do the 10th of February. After that, you need to put in an assignment course. We're putting in CS 2340. We're going to do another assignment here. The assignment name is going to be reading, and it's going to be due February 7th of 2024. After that, we're going to put in our last required field, which is assignment course. It's going to be Math 3406. Now we can go ahead and add our assignment to our list. We're going to add one last assignment here. It's going to be an essay for the assignment name. It's going to be due February 6th of 2024, and the assignment course is going to be CS 2340. If you look in the top right corner, you'll be able to see an important feature, which is the ability to be able to sort by date or sort by course. Another important feature we have here is to be able to trash assignments as you no longer need to do them. You can also go back and edit in assignments that have already been added. Here we're changing up a few details of homework. You can also mark assignments as completed even before you put them in, just to notify yourself that you did in fact do it. Here you can see us demonstrating the checkbox feature as well as the trash feature. Now let's move on to the exams page, which can be accessed through our nav bar. After clicking the plus button, we're going to need to put in our exam name, which is Algorithms, the exam date, which is going to be February 10th, the exam course, which is CS 3510, and the exam location, which is going to be IC 103. We can then add the exam to our list. We're going to add another exam here. This is going to be called Hard Exam. It's going to be taken on February 9th. The exam course is going to be CS 1000, and the location is going to be Howie. We're going to complete the exam, and we're going to add it to our list, showing that we've already done it. Now we're going to go back in and change our first exam to Algorithms and Design instead of just Algorithms, proving that you can go back and edit exams as often as you want. Here we are demonstrating the checkbox feature as well as the trash. We're going to use the nav bar once again to go to our last page, which is courses. After pressing the add button, you're going to be directed to input information, such as which class this is, which this is going to be CS 1000. Our professor information is going to be Professor Ben, and the class location is going to be in Kolk 152. We can choose which type of class this is going to be, and it's going to be a lecture, out of the options of lecture, lab, studio, and recitation. Then we're going to put in the start and end dates of the course so students can know when exactly it's going to go on. When we press add course, we're going to be able to see it in our list, as well as a little notification letting us know it's been added. Now we're going to go ahead and add another course. This is going to be English 1000 with Professor Tim. The class is going to meet in Skiles 100, and it's going to be a lab. Now we're going to enter in our start and end dates once again. If you look up at the list, you can see that all the information is displayed in one place. Now we're going to go ahead and change what we just added because maybe we got moved to a different section. It's going to be still English 1000, but this time it's going to be taught by Professor Becca. The class is going to meet in Howie 100, and it's going to be a lecture this time. And now we're going to go ahead and add the start and end dates one more time. If you notice in the background, the same trash icons are there if you ever want to get rid of a class that you've added. We're going to go ahead and add the course, which brings us to the end of our video demo. Thank you!